even an honor and privilege to present you with the first shipment of gold to be sent by rail from our fair city of Glower Gulch.
Looks like a note attached to a rock, sir.
Drat it, why didn't they make an appointment with my secretary?
Here you are, sir.
Thanks. I respectfully wish to inform you that your gold shipment will be stolen from the train by A.T. Sam Jose. Signed, A.T. Sam Jose.
Sam Jose? Let's get out of here!
This calls for the services of the fastest sheriff in all the West, Ricochet Rabbit.
Coffee about ready, Deputy Droop-along?
Yes, sir, Mr. Ricochet. I think I got a pretty good do on the batch, even if I do say so myself.
A mite strong, wouldn't you say?
Gotta quit using that hard water. How big a chunk of coffee you want, Mr. Ricochet?
Saved by the bell. Sheriff, bing, bing, bing. Ricochet Rabbit. Rapid results, raiding raucous revelers, routing riotous revolts, and removing rampant rascals round roundups and rodeos at your service.
Help! I say help!
Only one man can beller like that. J.P. Nuggets must need our help.
Be right with you, Mr. Ricochet. Sure like to know how he does that.
And as guardians of the law, it's your sworn duty to guard the gold shipment with your very lives.
Your fears are foundless, J.P. Nuggets. Cleverly disguised as these mail bags, the gold will never leave our sight. Right, Droop-along?
Right, Mr. Ricochet.
Well, you better hop to it. The train just pulled out.
Get to hopping, Droop-along.
I'm a-hopping, Mr. Ricochet.
Tickets! Have your tickets ready. May I see your ticket, sir?
Never let it be said that A.T. Sam Jose is a freeloader. How's this for a ticket?
That's what I call a ticket. Might even call it a lifetime pass. Help! Train robber! Help! Help! By the way, what does the AT stand for?
Atchison and Topeka. What else?
Oh, I see. Help! Train robber! Help!
All right, senors. Everyone off the train. Sam Jose cannot work with a crowd watching. It makes me nervous. Everyone off.
Ouch! 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 Let me out of here! Ouch! Ooh! 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 Ouch! Ouch!
Is that coffee I smell? Or is it someone burning an old boot?
Have a cup of coffee ready for you in a minute, Mr. Ricochet.
Is that coffee I smell, or is someone burning an old Huarachi? Oh, the clever Sheriff Ricochet Rabbit. He would not try to fool Sam Jose by hiding in the mailbag, would he? No? Kitty-kitty-coo. Maybe he would, yes. But already you are just leaving, eh, senor? Watch that first step. It's a humdinger.
Coffee's ready, Mr. Ricochet.
Not now, Droop-along, not now.
What are happening? The sky she fall down.
Hands up. You are the prisoner of Bing 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 Ricochet Rabbit.
And you, Senor Ping 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 Ricochet Rabbit, are full of frijoles.
Much as I dislike violence, you leave me no alternative, sir.
Just so long as I leave you, senor. Ay, caramba! That Ricochet plays so rough. Sam Jose is gonna vamoose.
Okay, Sam Jose. I aims to put you away. My name isn't...
Let me say it. Bing, 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 bing. Ricochet Rabbit.
Right.
Hey, Mr. Ricochet, you forgot your cup of coffee.
Not now, Droop-along. Not now.
I think I come back sometime when it's not so crowded.
Sam Jose, you're a disgrace to the train robbing profession.
Your coffee's getting cold, Mr. Ricochet.
Not now, Droop-along.
I think I made a mistake. It's too crowded up here, too.
So Sam Jose wants to play, huh?
That's a nice couple of guys, but I think I uncouple them.
That scoundrel Sam Jose done cut us loose from the caboose and is making off with the gold.
A.T. Sam Jose has done it again. A whole train full of loot.
This is a neat switch.
I think I go to Hollywood, maybe buy a movie studio.
Hope you don't think you've been railroaded into this, Mr. Sam Jose, but I seen my duty and I done it.
Nice work, Mr. Ricochet. Guess we showed him a thing or two.
No time for bragging, Deputy. There's still rustlers to rout, ruffians to recapture, and renegades to eradicate.
And robbers to wrestle. And ribs to repair. Ouch.